You step onto a railway track. Flat, straight, predictable, feels safe. Now imagine a train behind you. Not a car, not a bike, a steel beast. Hundreds of tons. It doesn't slow like you expect. It doesn't turn. It doesn't hesitate. You step aside at the last second. Heart racing, breath sharp. And a question hits. Why can't that train just turn? Why is it trapped on those rails? We drive anywhere we want. Roads twist, cities adapt. Freedom in every direction. But trains? Locked, restricted, controlled, almost like prisoners of steel. But here's the truth. That restriction is survival engineering. Because the moment a train leaves its track, it stops being transport. It becomes destruction. Rewind, before engines, before steel, before anything moved fast. Humans dragged weight across dirt, food, stone, wood, bodies. Every inch was a fight. Ground resisted. Wheels sank. Energy burned fast. Friction was the silent killer. Too much friction? You stop moving. Too little control. You lose everything. So humans hacked the terrain. They didn't fight the ground. They redesigned it. Wooden rails appeared first. Straight lines carved into chaos. Guided movement. Reduced resistance. Suddenly loads moved easier. Less effort. More distance. But there was a problem. Carts slipped. Jumped tracks. One misalignment. Disaster. Supplies lost. Time wasted. Sometimes lives gone. So evolution kicked in. Wood became iron. Iron became steel. And wheels changed shape. Enter the mechanism. Train wheels are not flat. They are slightly angled. Conical, and they carry a hidden weapon, a flange, a sharp inner lip. This system does the thinking for the train. First, the flange locks position. It hugs the rail like claws gripping bone, prevents sideways escape. Second, the cone shape stabilizes motion. If the train drifts left, wheel geometry pushes it back center. No steering wheel needed. No human correction required. It self-centers, automatically, like a predator correcting its path mid-chase. Now compare this to roads. Cars depend on friction. Rubber grips asphalt. You control direction constantly. Tiny corrections every second. Steering, adjusting, reacting. But trains? Steel on steel has almost no friction. Sounds dangerous, but it's the advantage. Low friction means massive efficiency. Less energy wasted fighting the ground. One locomotive can pull thousands of tons. Across cities. Across countries. Effort stays low. Output stays massive. But here's the cost. No friction means no freedom. No grip means no steering. No steering means no roads. Put a train on asphalt. It won't drive. It will slide. Unstable. Uncontrolled. Like ice under a running animal. It all comes down to survival. Tracks are not optional. They are life support systems. They control direction. Manage force. Distribute weight. They turn chaos into precision. Without tracks, trains fail instantly. With tracks, they dominate distance. Entire economies ride on this design. Coal moves. Food travels. Oil flows. Steel connects cities. All on thin lines of metal. Billions saved through efficiency. Time compressed. Distance defeated. And yet, people ignore the system. They walk on tracks casually. Take shortcuts across rails. Headphones in. Eyes down. They think it's just another path. But it's not. A train cannot swerve. It cannot dodge you. And it cannot stop quickly. At full speed, stopping takes kilometers. Not meters, not seconds. By the time you hear it, it has already committed. No escape for it. And maybe none for you. The system is invisible, but absolute. Precision replaces freedom. Constraint replaces choice. That's the hidden trade. You sacrifice flexibility. To gain unstoppable efficiency, you lose control. To gain reliability. And that's why trains stay on tracks. Not because engineers lacked imagination, but because survival demanded certainty. A road offers freedom, a track offers control, and for something that massive, control is everything. So the next time you see a railway line, don't see a path, see a boundary. A system built to prevent chaos, a design that chose discipline over freedom. Because sometimes, the safest machine is the one that cannot choose its direction. Don't forget to subscribe, Instinct Timelines to watch amazing videos in future.